Welcome to the Knowledge Paradise KP YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered that what is a chemical bond? There are how many types of it and what are the differences in those types? So let's start. In simple words, chemical bond is a lasting attraction between atoms, ions or molecules that enables the formation of chemical compounds or materials. The main reason behind the formation of bonds is electrostatic force of attraction between ions, also known as proton-electron attraction. Now the question arises that how many types of bonds are there? On the basis of the strength of a chemical bond, there are two main types. Number one is primary or strong bonds, for example ionic, covalent or metallic. And number two is secondary or weak bonds, for example dipole-dipole interactions or London dispersion forces. Now again another question arises that what are those specifications or characteristics which make them different from each other? The type of linkage formed between ions or atoms due to electrostatic attraction or transfer of electrons from one atom to another is called ionic bond. These bonds are very strong and have very high bond energy. For example, sodium chloride or salt is an ionic compound which formed due to ionic bond between sodium and chloride. It has a very high melting point of 801 degrees Celsius. The linkage between atoms due to sharing of electrons in order to complete octet or duplet valence shell is called covalent bond. These bonds are less stronger than ionic bonds because of the presence of free electrons on atoms which remain unbounded during the formation of bond. For example, water is a covalent compound having less bond energy and low melting point of 0 degrees Celsius. The interaction between positive ions and intervening or valence electrons of other atoms gives rise to a cohesive or binding force and metallic bond appears. These bonds are weaker than the ionic or covalent bonds. Mostly, the elements at the left bottom corner of the periodic table show metallic nature due to the sea of electrons. For example, copper and iron are metallic materials. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please like, share and comment. Kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications.